Can you buy Suboxone online? With the rise of telehealth and Suboxone treatment online, many patients are turning to the internet to access their medications, including Suboxone. But is it legal and safe to do so? In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know about buying Suboxone online and what you need to consider before doing so. Let's get started. It depends on where you live and the laws in your state. In many states, patients can purchase Suboxone with an online prescription from a licensed physician or healthcare provider. The process is simple, but it's still important to research local laws and stay within legal guidelines. The online Suboxone doctor will then send the medication directly to your local pharmacy. In addition, many online doctors specialize in telehealth and can provide medical advice through video calls or phone conversations. It's easy and convenient for those living in rural areas or unable to leave home to get a prescription for Suboxone. Suboxone is a potent medication and should only be taken under the supervision of a healthcare provider. Common withdrawal symptoms include nausea and vomiting, anxiety, insomnia, fatigue, headaches, muscle aches, and cravings for the drug. You must contact your doctor immediately if you experience any of these symptoms. Suboxone is often used to treat opioid use disorder and in some off-label uses for chronic pain. It blocks the effects of opioids in the body, reducing cravings and making it easier to quit drugs. Additionally, Suboxone can relieve pain in individuals with chronic illnesses or injuries and can help manage symptoms of depression. However, it's crucial always to follow your doctor's instructions and not exceed the recommended dosage. If you're interested in purchasing Suboxone online, there are a few steps you'll need to take. First, you must get a valid prescription from a licensed physician or healthcare provider. You will have a telehealth appointment where the provider will determine if you are a good fit for Suboxone. If the provider determines you are a good fit, they will then send the prescription to your local pharmacy. No matter what method you use, you must ensure that you get the medication from a legitimate source and are informed about the risks and side effects. When buying Suboxone online, there are a lot of factors to consider. Read reviews and research the website and the provider before completing an online telehealth appointment. Seek your doctor's advice if you're unsure about anything related to taking this medication. Doctors are now allowed to prescribe Suboxone online in certain states, which is helpful for those unable to visit a clinic or who need help finding a doctor in their area. Always remember to get a valid prescription from a qualified healthcare provider and that you follow the instructions of your Suboxone doctor. We understand that addiction can be challenging. SuboxoneDoctor.com has made it easy to purchase this medication with a valid prescription, so you can stay on track in your recovery journey. We provide resources and information to help you understand the medication's side effects. We also offer an online directory of verified and licensed healthcare providers or clinics. Recovery is possible, and you can trust SuboxoneDoctor.com to help you get the medication you need to recover successfully.